Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I normally don't do hauls, but I'm going to show you what I did haul yesterday. I typically do not work on Sundays, and I did work yesterday, which was Sunday, but I had already worked Saturday night, and then I went to work Sunday during the day, and that's another thing I usually don't do. Anyway, I stopped at a Goodwill I needed a break, so I stopped at a Goodwill that was nearby where I was at, and that's just totally not my area. So I thought, well, let me stop by, because I was actually looking for something in particular, and I found this little girl. Look at her. She is so adorable, and she was $3.49. She is a little dirty, but I think I'm gonna clean her up. I'm gonna add a bow to her neck, and I think she's good to go, because she doesn't have any kind of chips anywhere. I mean, she's good. I think she's good. Anyway, so she's gonna sit right here. I'm gonna leave her in my craft room because for inspiration. So another thing that I got at the Goodwill was I wanted to try a junk journal, but I have been so I've been looking through videos for junk journals, and I saw a lady, or quite a few of them, make junk journals with the little golden books. So I did manage to find 4 of them. They were 99 cents each, and they're not vintage or anything, but I thought this is good, so I can, if I mess it up, it's only 99 cents, right? So I found Pirate Pups, which is Paw Patrol, and of course we don't want them for the stories, it's for the graphics, but I just thought this was kind of cute because child actually really enjoyed this book, and that's why I bought it. I almost put it back because it was scribbled, and I thought, no, somebody really enjoyed this book, so I'm gonna keep that going. So I found that one, and this one I wasn't too crazy about. It is a little golden book, but I don't know why the spine is like silver instead of gold, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look that up. But that's why I got it, because it's not actually gold, it's silver. If anyone knows why, just let me know. And again, it doesn't look like it is vintage, but that's okay. So this book actually belonged to Lindsay, and I'm sure Lindsay thoroughly enjoyed it. So I bought this one again, not because of the graphics, just because it had a silver spine, and it's another book that I can practice with. And I really did like this one. This one's How to Be a Superhero, and this one still looks in really good condition. So yeah, I like this one. My favorite though was the bunny hop. Seeing as how close we are to Easter, I think I'm going to practice with one of these, and then I'm going to do a final with this one. I really liked it, the bunny hop, Sesame Street, because we're close to Easter. So, and this one also just looks really, really good, and I hope that I do this little book some justice. Some of the pictures in here, especially this one, I really like some of the pages in here because of the bunnies. So I don't mind covering some of this up, like hopefully I can figure out how to leave the bunnies exposed. And yeah, I really did like all the bunnies in this little book. So this was my Goodwill find. So I'm very happy with this. I didn't spend but about maybe $8. And then I went to Dollar Tree, again out of my area, but I looked for these last year. These are the pillowcases. I tried to find these last year and I did not find them anywhere. They're not the softest, but for decorative purposes, I think they're good. I think I can, you know, or any of us could alter these, you know, put an actual cottontail on there, maybe a bow and maybe a face. I don't know, but I bought several of them because this year, guys, I want to egg a couple of people. So I did buy some extra ones so I can egg someone, and I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm gonna keep 2 pink ones. I got 2. Let me see. I got 3 pink ones, and 2 blue ones. I'm keeping 2 of the pink. I should do pink and blue, but blue is not my favorite color. But I really should do it like that, but I'm not going to. So these I give, and these I keep. So I got those, and I was really happy because I tried to find them last year and I just couldn't. And then another thing, I got this wreath, this wooden bead wreath. I'm not going to use it as a wreath. I'm going to use the beads. I was looking at the packages of beads, and there was a package of, I think it was like 20 beads for $1.25 versus the whole little wreath for $1.25, which has more than 20. Okay, so I counted the beads, and this one has 51 beads, and they're the same size as the one in the package. And I really want to use these, you know, my projects. I need to have feet on my projects. So I thought I could use the wooden beads, natural wood beads, so I can paint them whatever color I need them. So I felt like this was a better buy than the packages. And then I bought one. I only bought one because I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. But there was this little, I don't know, almost canvasy bag. And it's a good size. It's a good size, but I'm going to alter this bag. And I'm not exactly sure how yet, but I'm going to alter it. So I only bought one. So I thought it was a really good size. Now, the next thing I purchased was this wall hanging. And there's that. So this hangs this way. So I didn't buy it to use it as a wall hanging. I'm going to take these apart, and I am going to make something with them. And I bought this one. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees. I was looking for the plain wooden eggs, the, you know, out of the thin veneer wood, and I couldn't find it at that Dollar Tree, not thinking I was going to stop at another one. So I said, well, this will work. So I bought this one, and then I was driving and saw another Dollar Tree, so I stopped in that one, and guess what I found? I found the wooden eggs. They're a little bit smaller. No, actually, guys, they're the same size. And for this one, you get 10 pieces in this one. And like I said, I'm going to egg a couple of people, and I'm going to make something out of this one, or these. So they are thinner, but they're wood, and these are that particle stuff. So they are, no, they're a little bit smaller. They are a little bit smaller, but it'll work just as good as these. So I was happy to find these. So I'll have to show you what I end up making with these. Okay, so I got those. And then I didn't have a whole lot of springy, you know, ribbons. So I bought these ribbons. I love Rick Rack. So I bought, they had 3 different colors. I don't think they have the blue or, you know, like the blue. So, but they did have this one. I wanted green, but they didn't have green. So this is what I bought as far as ribbon goes, so I can use on my projects. And then at the first Dollar Tree, they had the dot adhesives. So these don't have a lot of dimension to them, but that's okay because sometimes we want varying heights on our dimension. So they had a square and they had round. So it's good to have these in our crafty stash. At least it is for me. And then I bought a plastic egg, which I have plans for this. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I do have plans for this. So this is the egg. It goes this way, and it's got that really pretty pink mirrored on the back. So hopefully it works out the way I need it to. I like it because it does stand, and we'll see if that turns out the way I need it to. And then last week I was looking for book rings, and I kept telling myself, just go get them, just go get them. I apparently don't have any. So at Dollar Tree they did have 2 different sizes, so I got one of each for the next time that I need it. And then I got some stickers. Okay, so I got some stickers, and I thought these would go good with that little golden book when I do the junk journal. So I got the carrots, I got the bunnies. I want to say that these bunnies have been around for a minute. And then the eggs. Not super crazy about the yellow one, but I do like the pink and blue. So we'll see what I do with these. And then I do have a project coming up, and I went ahead and bought the embroidery needle bundle. So I don't know what makes it a bundle. So let me open this up. I don't know what makes it a bundle, guys. Oh, okay, I see. Maybe that makes it a bundle. I don't know. I probably won't use this part, but I do want the top part. So I bought it, because it is round, and it's a pin cushion. So I got that, and then and I don't remember who it is, so I just don't remember who it is. I've seen people altering the little sunglasses, and I have a project in mind for this one as well. And so I bought these. They had, this is the girl style, and then they had the little boy style, but of course it's pink, so I got that one. And I did buy one other thing that I just fell in love with, and there was only one. So I got the little truck, guys. There was only one pink one, and I figured this one was not $1.25. This one was $5. I like this one, even if it's not. I like it. I don't like the fact that they glued this down, but I thought I could alter it a little bit, and I can have it out year round and just switch up the back part. So I'm going to alter this one, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the end. But yeah, all this is going to come off. Not right now, because it's still Easter. So I'm going to leave this like that for a little bit. And then in the next holiday, I'm going to switch it up and make it look a little different. I'm going to have it carry something different. So there's, of course, glitter everywhere. But yeah, so this was my favorite purchase. All right, guys, just thought I'd come in really quickly and show you my little haul. I hadn't been to Dollar Tree like in forever. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day, guys.